Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL headphones, JBL Tour One, with any Windows PC or laptop. So first of all, just find the right headphone and then rotate to use this Bluetooth button. Right now we have to move it once. Right now this indicator will turn on. And then do this second time to activate the pairing mode. As you can see, right now this indicator is blinking, so it means that we successfully entered the pairing mode. And right now, just put them close to your laptop and move to this system settings. Open the settings, then go for the Bluetooth and devices on the left side, activate Bluetooth, and right now go to add device, select Bluetooth, and from all of this devices list you have to just select your JBL Tour One. When we are successfully connected, you can go to this system settings, move to the sound, and just select for the output and the input device your JBL headphones. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.